I'm going to give you two quick examples of using a database with Enso. In this example, we're starting out reading from a CSV file of about 100,000 transactions. We're making a quick calculation to it. We're adding a year. We're filtering the data down to the current year, and we're filtering it down to invoices that are overdue because we want to pass them on to an accounts receivable specialist to go and chase those. We've got information in Excel that has information on who owns each one of these follow-ups. And our goal here is to join those two together. So we've got data from Excel and data from a CSV. What you'll notice here is there's this read component. And read, in this case, is doing nothing because data is already in memory. But if we reconnect this component here, which is a query coming from a Postgres database, what's happening here when we hit the read component is it's reading all of the information that was previously done in the database. It's reading it in memory, and it's passing it now along, and it's doing the join with the Microsoft Excel file. So just like that, one set of components able to handle both these tasks really easily. Second one is quite similar. What we're attempting to do here is something that's not possible inside of Postgres. Postgres doesn't have a crosstab function. And what we are ultimately trying to do here is create a table, as this one down below, which shows the total value of invoices by year, by status. So what we have above the read component here are all things that are being done inside the database. And this is just much more efficient for processing when you're dealing with large data sets. So we are creating the year column. We're aggregating by both year and status because that's a capability that exists in the database or can be done in a database. Right now we're reading this from a file. We then bring it into memory and then we perform the crosstab. And in the same way, I can just reconnect this query as opposed to having it from a file, and it's all recalculated, pushing again all of the upstream processing back into the database so that there's much less that needs to be done in memory. And that's two quick examples of using Enso with data that lives in a database. Thank you.